Rub him. Say, hey, my Smokey.
Hey, my cat.
Say, hey, Smokey.
Hey, Poppy.
Davion getting to know Smokey the cat. Rub him. Say, hey, my Smokey. Rub him soft, up and down. Yeah, that's how you do rub him up and down. Yeah, rub him. Rub him up and down. Say, hey, Smokey. Rub him real soft. He like it. Rub his stomach.
Huh?
He like it. Rub his stomach. Up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah, rub him. See, he like it. Yeah.
That my cat.
He's trying to play with you. Rub his stomach. Say Michael and Smokey.
My name is Poppy.
Yay, Michael. Rubbing on Smokey. Smokey the cat.
Smokey.
Michael is getting used to rubbing Smokey. Rub him softer. Yeah, see Smokey getting used to Michael. Michael getting used to Smokey. Rub him real soft, up and down. Yeah, soft like that.
Smokey. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Smokey trying to play with Michael. Ah. Do y'all see Smokey trying to play with Michael?
I'm gonna get toys of Smokey.
You wanna? Ain't no toys for Smokey. We gonna buy Smokey some toys so you can play with him. Smokey, say hey, camera.
Hey, Mama.
Go over there and play with Smokey. Sit on the floor. What's your name? Say my name Michael.
My name Michael.
And Smokey is the cat, and he's trying to play with Michael. They getting to play with each other. They getting to understand and know each other. Smokey's like a part of the family. We had him, I believe, for like 10 or 11 human years. Him and my son, who's 12, grew up together.
Stop.
So Smokey and Michael is getting to know each other. Michael's starting to fall in love with cats. You like Smokey?
Yes.
And when Smokey likes to be rubbed, he'll fall out in the middle of the floor.